A greener and sustainable future for a breathable society. Statement of the problem: to become a society that encompasses a greener environment for its future generation. Introduction. Global warming and climate change refer to an increase in average global temperatures. Natural events and human activities are believed to be contributing to an increase in average global temperatures. This is caused primarily by increases in greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide. Argument 1. Climate action. Supporting details: carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is rising. Atmospheric levels of a carbon dioxide, the most dangerous and prevalent greenhouse gas, are at the highest level ever recorded. Greenhouse gases levels are so high primarily because humans have released them into air by burning fossil fuels. The gases absorb solar energy and keep heat close to Earth's surface, rather than letting it escape into space. The trapping of heat is known as greenhouse effect. Supporting details number 2. In the interconnectedness of Earth's system means that significant change in any one component of the climate system can influence the equilibrium of the entire Earth system. This complex interaction may result in climate change that is more rapid and on a larger scale than projected current climate models. Supporting details number 3. There are personal lifestyle changes that you can make to that. In some combination can help reduce your carbon impact. Not all the right for everybody. Some you may already be doing or absolutely abhor. By implementing just a few of them could make a difference. Argument number 2. Affordable and clean energy. Sustainable and modern energy for clean sources such as solar. Solar energy is a renewable resource of energy that is sustainable and totally exhaustible, unlike fossil fuels that are finite. It is also a non-polluting source of energy and it does not emit any greenhouse gases when producing electricity. Supporting details number 2. Wind and thermal for all. Thermal wind floats about in nature. The general circulation of Earth's atmosphere is a thermal wind to its approximation and is driven by lateral variation in density associated with the pole equator zonal temperature gradient. Supporting detail number 3. Efforts to encourage clean energy have resulted in more global power being generated by renewable sources than fossil fuel. Efforts to encourage clean energy has resulted in more than 20% of global power being generated by renewable sources of 2011. Adopting cost-effective standards for a wider range of technologies could also reduce the global electricity consumption by building an industry by 14%. Argument number 3. Life on land. Integrated ecosystem and biodiversity in governmental planning. Taking steps to reduce or eliminate pollution from non-point sources such as streets and farms will have to maintain the ecological balance. Sewage runoff, agricultural fertilizer can cause the rapid growth of algae in lakes and streams. The growth of algae blocks sunlight and depletes the oxygen in the water. Supporting details number 2. Finance and incentivize sustainable forest management. This means that managers minimize erosion and protect waterways. Avoid the use of chemical pesticides. Properly dispose of waste. Conserve native trees, species and main genetic diversity on their land. Set aside part of their properties as protected areas wherein logging is prohibited. Supporting details number 3, end deforestation and restore degraded forests. The most common pressure causing deforestation and severe forest degradations are agricultural, unsustainable forest management, mining, infrastructure projects, and increased fire incidence and intensity. Conclusion. It's my conclusion that a greener and sustainable environment would lead to a bright future that is for everyone to embrace a good effect to society and not only to human but also to all life living creature.